Hello. So in the last tutorial, I was talking about hair count and the actual guides and how much of a pain it is to individually go through each of these groupings and count your spline count and CV points. And instead, I decided to throw together a script. And your script, it will go through each of your objects, see if it's a curve, print the name if it's a curve, and then it will list out all your modifiers, list out the curves, the curve count before and point count, and then it will go through the depth graphs to ascertain what the curves and the point count is after it's been, interpolated or duplicated or whatever. So Control A, Alt P, and then you have to do toggle system console. So it counts that there's 7 hair groups, and then it goes through in each one. So you have the bangs, the back, the nape, the rights, and then it goes through each one, lists the modifiers, the curves for the guide curves that you've manually created, and then these are the interpolated curves that get created upon interpolation, as well as the points. And then most importantly, you get at the very, very end, you get your total counts, so you don't have to manually add them all up by yourself. Hopefully that's helpful to someone. I'm going to throw it up on Gumroad. Put the link into the description. That's about it. See ya.